Alright people, today it's time to clean the coop, but not this coop. A whole nother coop. This is the coop I constructed about going on 8 years ago out of mostly scrap wood I got from construction sites and other places. We have a Habitat for Humanity here, which is like a thrift store for home improvement stuff. I got some of this stuff from there too. I spent about $200 in total on this chicken coop, and most of it was treated 2x4s. All 4 girls. Uh-oh. She's gonna get in a fight with herself, I think. Who's that? Who's that in the mirror? Everybody, it's me, Russ, and today the chicken coop gets some cleaning. It's supposed to be the hottest weekend on record. Might break records this weekend. And the girls' chicken coop is nasty. So the chickens need some housekeeping done. And of course, I'm the chicken housekeeper. Now, part of the way I engineered and designed this thing was to make this process really easy. You can see I've got the doors that open like this. This slots in this, and that comes out like that. Chicken's trying to beat the heat. Yeah, I'm fully vaccinated, but I'm wearing my mask for this job. And there's hashtag. Hey, hashtag, you got something in your hair. She is a silky, come here, girl. Japanese silky chicken. She wants to go in the shade too. And you can see door in the back, hinges, easily accessible to pull all this out. Now, I did create a meridian in the middle. You can see that cage there. That's for when we had chicks. So we would put chicks in like a bin, a plastic bin, hang a light, keep them warm. And as they grow, they have their own door here, and it keeps them separated from the rest of the flock until, you know, we pull up. We have a piece of wood that we would put in front of this. Right now it's open, so they can go back and forth. But yeah, when we have younger chicks and pullets were growing up, we can easily separate them so there's not a fight, because they will pick on each other until they get integrated into the flock and accept one another, and pecking orders and all that. And this gives me a little extra leverage here. Again, one-handed. Really should have brought a tripod or something. But yeah, it's a lot easier to do with 2 hands. Just dump all the compost in here. And we have compost. This is sort of this is a pond. This is another project I need to work on, setting this pond up. But here's our killer rotatable composter. Just pour the water in it and get it nice and soupy. Right now it's the dang, all these morning glories are killing me. Cords of morning glories. Yeah, I can spin this thing around. Right now it's pretty dry, but that's how we compost that stuff. Easily scoopable with a snow shovel here. What's the temperature in here, man? About 80, 82. Welcome to lifestyles of famous chickens and their mansions. Then broom, sweep out the rest. Ugh, chicken coop. Getting clean though. Now on this side, I actually screwed these down. Oops, going the wrong way. There goes the screw. So, because the rats, yeah, they would knock this loose and climb under it, so. Yep, this one's screwed down. But then I can just pull all this out into my bucket here, and it's pretty great. So it's thick. Getting it all raked out of here. Again, linoleum down. Easier to clean. And yeah, goes in the composter here. Goes in the composter here. That'll make good soil one day. Ah, the pine shavings. Just pour them all out in here. Well, half of them, a little more than half on this side. And there it is. And so here on this side, got this one slid down in there, that little block. And on this side, see that? Slides right in there. Pull the rest of this in. Place my broken screw, lost screw, on this side. And put that back together. Oh, I forgot to do their water tower. And voila, it is clean. The chicken's house. Cool water for the chickens. Oh yeah. And water for the compost. Get that compost wet. Come on out. Come on out, chickens. The Russian likes that. Some of that water back there. Bamboo likes it too. There you go. That'll cool you off. There she is. The Russian. Hey girl. Anyway, give this bamboo some love. It likes water. It's buried in a pot, by the way, so it doesn't get away. It's buried in a big drum from a car wash that I picked up on my travels. Setting up the chicken water tower. There we go. Do it upside down. Screw this on like a pill top. I guess I'm that age. That's my analogy, like a pill top. Like a bottle of pills. There we go. And boom. Look at that. My hands are dirty. But there they go. There it is. Gurgling out of there. There we go. Don't want them to poop in their own water. They'll do that. You got hot wings, don't you? She is a cold, hardy chicken, and this is not her kind of weather. Heritage breed. All right, girls. Come on out. There she goes. It's our mirror. Backyard fire mirror. Yep. They found some more shade. Chickens chilling in the shade, aren't you? Checking themselves out in the mirror. The backyard chicken mirror. The chicken looks like you. Alright, and now it's time to open nesting box area. And clean the nesting boxes. Some of them they don't use more than one or two, which is weird. They fight over one even though they have 8. That's chickens for you. They either like this one or that one. Is there eggs in here? No. But yeah, they will fight over these 2 and ignore the rest. Time to clean the nesting boxes. They're pretty nasty. Now that powder in there is important. We use DE to keep the chickens from getting mites and fleas and stuff like that. The bag looks like this. It is, yeah, this is by Red Lake Earth. It is totally natural. It is made from fossilized plankton, and you can eat it. It's actually a dewormer, natural dewormer as well. We put this under our couches to kill the fleas. It's like little shards of glass under a microscope for bugs, and bugs have an exoskeleton, so it basically cuts the bugs to pieces. DE, dehyphenaceous earth. These we got at the dollar store, by the way. They're just, you know, pan buckets for holding dishes or whatever. They're great for chicken nesting boxes. And that's a gag gift from a friend. And the plant in there is fake, but funny. Anyway, chicken coop and the chicken poop. And hey, there's an egg in this one. Look at that. Good chicken. Looks like hashtag. The little Japanese silky nesting boxes. I'm just going to throw a little bit of this on top of that, because this is the nesting box they like to use. And if I change it, it'll be utter chaos. Chicken chaos. Chickens. Sometimes the eggs break. We have to watch their calcium levels, because the eggs get soft and the chickens step on them and they break, and that makes it even messier. But yeah, this is as good as it's going to get for the chickens. This is not the Four Seasons, all right? It's a chicken coop. They're going to have to endure me putting a little, yes, having a little bit of dirt in there. It'll dry out. It'll be fine. Good old handful of pine shavings. And a little scoop of DE. You can use it in your house, but you got to use it sparingly. You can put it around your outside of your house to kill fleas and spiders and all sorts of bugs. It's great, great bug killer. Natural stuff. We got this barrel, by the way, on Craigslist years ago. Somebody was moving. It was like $50. These are like almost $300 new. It's great. Love this thing. Loading them up with the clean shavings. I actually put this egg back in here. You can see that. Put the egg back in there just to mess with them. It's chaos. They'll be like, what? I already took eggs out this morning too. I took like 5 eggs out of here this morning, and there's already another one in there from little hashtag there. This same one, by the way. So that's how these chickens are. Like they all put, the 3 of them laying eggs, they put all their eggs in one basket. So they don't know how to follow good financial advice, apparently. It's getting up to about 83 here in the chicken coop. Not too bad. They said it was going to be in the 90s today. I don't know. Alright, so more DE in there. Got them all set. All the boxes. Put some more in here. That'll help. Alright. And moving this over to here. Last box is done. These ones are all done. Boom. Chicken coop is now officially clean. So there's, yep, that happened. Had a hook for this, but don't know what I did with it. It's okay. This holds everything up. Boom. And now the chicken coop is clean. I engineered this thing 7 years ago. 8 years ago now? I don't know. It was years ago. But I built it. It works. And I cleaned it again. Thanks for watching. What's coming on? Now No! The chicken coop is clean. Oh boy, it's not tracking me. Hold on. Here we go. I'm almost in the shot. There we go.